coaches and club leaders, and teachers with special recognition to the stage to present awards and service in character, club achievements, and extracurricular activities.
Good morning. How's it going? So many of you don't know me, of course. My name is Jay Seth, and I'm a rising senior at St. Louis University High School. I started volunteering in my freshman year, and met many young people in the robotics program at the beginning of their 6th grade year. Since then, I've watched them grow and achieve much through the Clavius project, winning the Gold Award 3 years ago. And I'm proud to present the robotics certificates to the following individuals. Please rise to the install. Nelly Gaudet. Pretty regular noise. Shaka Gomtin. Anna Nunez. Jolie Gutierrez. And Maria Westbrook. Thank you.